What's up everyone? How's everyone doing today? In this video, I'm just going to be doing a short little Q&A. Today I had a pretty good day. We ended up catching like a $1,200 win in today's market on NQ, so super good. We actually had an L yesterday, but with good risk management, we are ahead now, so that's all that matters. But like I said, I'm just going to be doing a short little Q&A in this video. I wrote down some questions that you guys asked, so I'm going to go ahead and be answering some of these. All right, the first one is, how long did it take you to get a payout? So it took me 2.5 years, I'd say, between that mark to get a payout, and it was actually crazy. I think my first payout was $1,000, so super good. Honestly, and the $1,000 didn't even feel as good as I thought it was going to be, to be honest, for being my first payout. But it did make me sit back and realize, like, wow, this is realistic. Once it hit my bank account, I'm like, this is it. So yeah, it took me about 2.5 years to earn a payout through a prop firm. I did do trading before that. Like, I messed around with options for a little bit. I actually traded futures in the beginning too, and ended up losing like $3,000 super quick. And then I traded Forex and stuff. But my first payout was about 2.5 years in. Now, the next question is, do you think traders get a bad rep? And honestly, yeah, I do. But we have people that pretend like they know how to trade to sell a course, make a whole bunch of money, and they're not even teaching those people things or just scamming them. So I can see sometimes why it gets a bad rep, but there are a lot of profitable and legit people in the trading industry. But you have a few bad apples, but you have that with literally every profession. So traders do get some bad rep, and I don't think a lot of it is deserved, but I can see why with the type of people we have in the community. The third question is, I'm a beginner. What platform to start on? So if you're a beginner, what you're going to want to do is start on TradingView. TradingView is going to be where you chart all your trades. That's where you're going to basically do everything. You can link your broker most of the time from TradingView. So you're going to want to download TradingView or go on the web platform on your computer, and you're going to want to just get used to that platform. And then once you get used to it and stuff, open a paper trading account. It's completely free, and that's where you're going to start placing your trades. It's all simulated trades, but that is going to give you a good beginner start on how to set take profits, stop losses, how the market moves, how to enter, exit, and just how many contracts you should trade. So TradingView is going to be where you want to start. Download that or go on the web platform and start there, get used to it, and you'll be off to a good start for sure. So the fourth question is, did you backtest a lot when you were learning? Now, I backtested like crazy. I would do it hours and hours and hours a day, and I worked nights at Walmart and stuff too, so I would go to work, I'd come home in the morning, trade New York session, backtest for a little, go to sleep for a little, backtest before work, go to work and do the same process over and over and over again. When I had days off, I would be backtesting for hours. So I backtested so much. I don't backtest as much now, but when I first started out, I was backtesting like crazy. I was trying to be in the market. I wasn't placing trades most of the time, but I was backtesting, or I was even forward testing on a paper account, and I was seeing how the market moves and how good my strategy was. All right, the fifth question is, what thing took you to the next step in trading? Now, I've mentioned this a lot in all my other videos. The thing that took me to the next step was simply journaling. I would take trades, win, lose, whatever, and I wouldn't even be writing them down. So I would take the trades, close the laptop, shut down my computer, and that was that. Now, ever since I started writing down all my trades in the notebook, and I wrote down how I was feeling that day, why I took the win, what type of setup, all that type of stuff, or why I took the loss, that's what got me to that next step, so I could see what mistakes I was making and how I could fix that. So by the time I knew, I had weeks and months worth of data in there, so I could go back and see what mistakes I was making over and over again, and on what days were my best days, worst days, and I could keep that in mind. So now I've learned Mondays are usually my no trade days, and Wednesdays, Thursdays are usually my best days. So the sixth question is, why don't I swing trade? And I've tried swing trading, but it just simply doesn't align with my strategy. I don't have like the discipline for it or anything. I don't like holding for that long. I like to be in and out the market, so that's why I scalp/day trade. I don't mind holding for an hour, 2-3 hours max, but I like to be in and out the market, so I don't like to swing trade at all. It's definitely a good strategy though. I've seen people that swing trade and they make a lot of money if they're really good at it, but for me personally, it just doesn't align with me. All right, the seventh question is, do you own any crypto? And I do have a small portfolio of crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, a few meme coins, stuff like that, but honestly, I don't have a big portfolio. I should maybe buy some more, and I might in the future, but really, I don't have that much crypto. I just have a small portfolio, and that's that. I mainly just do my trading, and then I do have a Roth IRA for long-term investments. All right, and the final question, number 8, favorite thing trading has to offer. And that's simple. Honestly, I really like the time that it can give you. The time freedom you can get from trading is unreal. Yeah, the money's nice, everything else is nice, but the time freedom you can get from trading, if you get good at it, is amazing. You can be in and out the market in 30 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, and you can make plenty of money. Also, you can do it from all around the world. I can be in, UK, Germany, South America, anywhere, and I could be placing a trade and making money. So really the time freedom it has is amazing. And obviously just a big plus is the amount of money you can make from it once you master the skill. So between time freedom, money, all that, I do love trading. But that's going to be the video, guys. I just wanted to do a quick Q&A. That was 8 questions that you guys have asked me, so I just went ahead and answered them. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more of these videos, and I'm just trying to upload consistently as well. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.